Here are some simple English sentences you can use with your kids as part of your daily routine.
Greeting and parting. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. Have a great day. See you later. See you later. Goodbye. Take care. Goodbye. Take care.
At home. Please put away your toys. Please put away your toys. Let's draw a picture. Let's draw a picture. Can you turn off the light, please? Can you turn off the light, please? It's time for a snack. It's time for a snack. Let's practice some counting. Let's practice some counting. Let's water the plants together. Let's water the plants together.
Going out. Do you want to ride your bike? Do you want to ride your bike? Let's visit the park. Let's visit the park. Don't forget your jacket. Don't forget your jacket. Let's catch the bus. Let's catch the bus. Do you see any birds? Do you see any birds?
Dinner time. Is it tasty? Is it tasty? Please use your napkin. Please use your napkin. Do you want juice or milk? Do you want juice or milk? Let's try something new. Let's try something new. Would you like some fruit? Would you like some fruit? Say thank you after eating. Using these simple sentences regularly will help your kids become more familiar with everyday English, making it easier for them to understand and speak the language naturally.
Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.